Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and we're going to go over how you would change your cabin air filter on this vehicle. This cabin air filter is located under the hood in the engine bay at the very back between the firewall and the cabin of the vehicle. So right behind your battery, and that's on the passenger side. So to start with, you're going to want to remove this weather stripping a little bit. We don't need to go all the way, but we do need to go at least almost halfway of the engine bay. So we have 3 bolts in here that need to be removed that are a size number 7. Alright, so with those 3 bolts removed, we can now pull this little cover up, and it's got some little tabs that hold it in at the top, and then we can set that aside. And right down in here, you've got another cover that has some tabs on the side. Be unlocked, and then you can pull it out and to remove. Like I said, you have these tabs that sit on the outsides that you will get off, and then you'll be able to grab your cabin air filter, just pull it out of there. And so we remove our cabin air filter to replace. Sometimes they have an arrow that's telling you which way the air will go, but the air on this is going to go toward the back of the vehicle because that's where the fan is pulling in. So the new one has an arrow pointing where the air, we're going to face it toward the back of the vehicle. Okay, so we've got our new cabin air filter, and we're going to align it down in there. And we've got the arrow pointing to the cabin. Okay, so we've got the cabin air filter down inside there, situated, pushed onto the back, and now we're going to put this cover back in. Okay, so that's back locked into place. Now you're going to take this, and there's some tabs here on the top side that we want to slide up under this other plastic connector. And when we take our number 7 And so once we've got all our 3 number 7 bolts tightened up, then we can take this piece of weather stripping and just put it into the groove and channel there, and put this little tab back in here. And so that's how you would replace your cabin air filter on your 2011 Cadillac STS. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.